Discover what full service broking can do for you with Sharekhan.
Hello everyone, welcome again to Sharekhan Podcast IPO Flash Series. Hope you all are healthy and safe. Today we talk about another IPO, Dodla Dairy Limited. Kindly note this is an informational piece on IPO which is based on the RHP filed by company with SEBI and not a recommendation. Dodla Dairy is an integrated dairy company based in South India. Company derives its revenue from sale of milk and dairy-based value-added products in the branded consumer market. As per CRISIL report, among private dairy players with a significant presence in southern region of India, it is the third highest in terms of milk procurement per day as on 31st March 2021 and second highest in terms of market presence across India among dairy players. The company primarily operates in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, while overseas operations are based in Uganda and Kenya. Now let us look at some key strengths. Company is consumer focused with a diverse range of products under Dodla Dairy and Dodla brands. To grow further and also to increase margin, the company has focused on dairy-based value-added products over the last few years, which has clocked a CAGR of 13.43% during FY 2018 to 2020. Company has an integrated business model which enables them to provide end-to-end capabilities from procurement until distribution and marketing in a cost-efficient manner. Focused engagement and long-term relationship with dairy farmer has helped the company to contain the cost of raw milk and ensure supply of quality raw milk. It also follows stringent quality control procedures, and the company has an experienced board and senior management team. Now let us understand the key concerns for the company. Inability to procure adequate amount of raw milk from farmers and third-party suppliers. Actual or alleged contamination or deterioration of the company's product or raw material and mismatch in demand and supply of company's product may have an adverse effect on the business. Let us now look at its financial. Dodla Dairy has delivered a consistent growth over the last 3 financial years both in terms of financial and operational metrics. Its revenue grew at a CAGR of 16% over FY 2018 till 20 to Rs 2,139.4 crores. Operating profit grew at CAGR of 11.8% over the same period. For 9-month FY 21, its adjusted PAT stood much higher at Rs 116.5 crore, led by improvement in profitability and reduction in the interest cost. The cash generated from operating activities improved to Rs 165.6 crore in FY 20. The company reduced its debt by 55 crore to Rs 133 crore in 9-month FY 21. The ROE stood at 11.5% in FY 20, which improved to 21.1% in 9-month FY 21. Similarly, ROCE stood at 15.7% in financial year 20, which improved to 25% in 9-month FY 21. Valuation front, the IPO is valued at 50 to 51 times its FY 20 earning per share and 16.5 times its FY 21 estimated annualized EPS. It has a strong balance sheet with steady working capital management, lower debt and improving cash flow. Its return profile of mid to high teens is better as compared to some of the close peers. The public issue opens on June 16 and closing date is June 18. The price band is fixed at Rs 421 to 428 per equity share. Face value is Rs 10 per share. Investor can bid for a minimum of 35 equity shares and in multiple of 35 equity shares thereafter. That's all for the day. For more details, disclosure and disclaimer, please refer to our IPO note or contact our nearest branch. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.